Hi friends, welcome back to the new series JavaScript Zero to Hero. In this series, I am explaining all the basic concepts in JavaScript. In this video, I am going to talk about math object in JavaScript. Math object is having so many inbuilt functions. Using those, we can perform mathematical tasks. Assume I have a decimal number 5.8. If I want to round it to the nearest integer, I can use math.roundoff this number. It gives 6. If I want to round it up to the nearest integer, then I can use math.ceil. Similarly, if I want to round it down to the nearest integer, then I can use math.floor, like this. There is also another inbuilt function, pow. Using this, we can get the value of a number to the power of another number. If I pass 2, 3, we get 8, which is 2 to the power of 3. And I can use the square root function to get a square root of a number. When I pass 25, I get 5. Assume we have a list of numbers and we need to find the maximum and minimum value. For that, we can use math.max and math.min, like this. If you want to create a random number, we can use math.random. This gives a random number between 0 and 1. So to generate a random number between 0 and 9, we can multiply this by 10 and use it inside math.floor function. Now we get a random number between 0 and 9. Here instead of 10, if I pass 11, we get a random number between 0 and 10. Similarly, if I multiply by 100, we get a random number between 0 and 99. A question to you. How can I generate a random number between 1 and 100? Pause this video and think. Okay, the solution is simple. I showed you how we can generate a number between 0 and 99. Now to this, I just need to add 1. This will generate a number between 1 and 100. That's it. There are also many other functions like sine, cos, log, etc. We can refer the documentation and use it based on our need. That's all about math object. If you like this video, please subscribe and support me. I'll be back with another concept soon. Thank you. Bye.